Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install NodeJS latest version on Windows 11 PC. So, I open my browser and then type NodeJS, hit enter. This is the official website of NodeJS. I entered the website. Here, Node.js is a open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that lets developers create servers, web apps, command line tools, and scripts. So this is a download button. I just click on it. The download is starting. It will take few seconds to finish download. Then I minimize my browser and double click on Node.js 22.13.1 x64.msi. This is the Microsoft installer file, and then click on next and click I accept the term in license agreement and click on next and click on next and then click on next and click on install. It will ask me permission to install this software on my PC, so I will allow this permission. I click on yes and then installation is starting. Installation is completed, so I click on finish button. Then I check the node version and npm version. I right click on desktop and open in terminal. Then I type node space -v, hit enter. This is the node.js version. That means node.js is installed on my PC. Now I check npm version. So I type npm space -v, then hit enter. This is the npm version. That means Node.js is fully installed on my PC. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Node.js on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on my Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.